Hey, what you got there?
Oh, I've got some wild birds in here.
Wild birds?
I found them out in that field over there. It's just full of wild birds. Caught himself.
Well, what are you going to do with them?
Oh, I was going to play some games with them.
What kind of games?
Well, I really like the game where I take a really sharp stick and I start sticking it in the holes here. That one's really fun. But the best game is when I shake the box really hard and the birds think that it's an earthquake. Wild birds love that game.
Well, I'm almost afraid to ask, but what are you going to do with the birds when you're done playing games?
Oh, I was going to feed them to my cat. Mittens just loves wild birds.
Well, your cat Mittens and I have something in common because I love wild birds too.
Yeah.
Yeah, in fact, I'd like to buy these from you.
They don't do anything. They don't do any tricks. And if you open up the box, they're just going to fly away.
That's okay. I'd still like to buy them from you. How much do you want?
$5.
Okay.
10.
All right.
20.
$20. They're wild birds.
They're exotic birds.
You found them in the field over there.
An exotic field.
All right. Here. That's all I got.
Thanks, sucker. I see you're looking at my box.
Yeah. What do you got in there?
You know what's in there.
Mankind.
Found them off in the garden. Funny thing is, they put themselves in that box. I have nothing to do with it.
Well, what's your plan?
I'm gonna play games.
Games? What kind of games?
I'm gonna put games in their lives that they're gonna think will bring them so much joy. And then I'm gonna turn their worlds upside down. I'm gonna make what's right seem wrong and what's wrong seem right.
And then?
They'll be damned for all eternity.
You know, my father and I were quite fond of mankind.
I know.
I'd like to purchase their freedom.
You want these humans?
Yeah.
They let you down before. They promised you everything. They'll turn away.
Many will. Some won't.
It'll cost you your tears.
I know.
It'll cost you your blood.
I know.
It'll cost you your life.
I know.
You're willing to give your life for these?
I'm willing to give whatever it takes.